been busted and they told him to take it down now.
Oh, they got both flags up there. Strapped around.
Maybe he's just
No, he tore the rebel flag loose from the American one.
It's really good. Are you guys all filming this?
Oh yeah.
I'm getting a good video.
Oh man, I'm glad y'all are getting this because I bet they'll be like, it's the American flag. Like the person that calls you the eye level with you, buddy.
How fast that phone call got up to that dude. Come on down, son. Yeah, with all this shit they're gonna build in Asheville, we don't want to fuck up the chance to get more work.
And the tax breaks.
Yeah. Paying himself for that now. I wonder if but he told me, I'm like, I wonder if that he just did it on his own or somebody said. Like,
I doubt that he did. Honestly, I doubt he did it on its own.
Someone was like, here's a rebel flag. How about running that up the flag?
Well, that was neat.
All right, Jim Bob, I took it down. Now I can't say something.
Sucks we're gonna have to strip the volume out of my video.
Yeah. Can't say about that.
They were on that pretty quick, huh?
Yeah.